Are you constantly feeling sluggish, anxious, or like your brain is in a fog? Maybe you've even had a doctor mention anemia, and you thought, but I take iron, why isn't it working? The surprising culprit might be one tiny overlooked vitamin. It's the powerhouse responsible for your mood, your sleep, and keeping your immune system on high alert. I'm talking about vitamin B6, or pyridoxine. It's one of the most vital nutrients your body needs but can't produce on its own. In the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep. By the end of this video, you will know the 7 proven life-changing benefits of B6, the 5 simple foods you can eat today to get what you need. And you will want to stay until the end for a critical warning about taking too much B6. It can actually cause nerve damage. Let's get started. First, let's break down what vitamin B6 is. It's one of the 8 B vitamins and is a total game changer for your body's chemistry. B6 is what scientists call a cofactor. Think of it like the key that unlocks over 100 crucial chemical reactions involved in your metabolism. Essentially, it helps you turn the food you eat into usable energy. And here's a critical point. B6 is water-soluble. Think of it this way, your body uses what it needs, and then it flushes the rest out. This is great because it makes toxicity from food rare, but it also means you need to replenish it consistently through your diet. It's not stored long-term like vitamins A or D. So, what are these 7 life-changing things B6 does? Let's get into the details. First, the oxygen booster. You might take iron for anemia, but if you're low on B6, that iron can't be properly used. B6 is fundamental in producing hemoglobin, the part of red blood cells that actually carries oxygen. Without enough B6, you can end up with a condition called sideroblastic anemia, where you have enough iron, but your body just can't build the final red blood cells. This is why B6 is often the missing piece in treating certain anemias. Second, is the anti-anxiety vitamin. B6 helps you build essential neurotransmitters, like serotonin, which regulates your mood and happiness, and GABA, which helps quiet and calm your nervous system. Some powerful research has shown that high-dose B6 supplements can actually significantly reduce feelings of anxiety and depression in young adults. It's like giving your brain the raw materials it needs to feel balanced. Third, is focus and memory fuel. Because it's so vital for building those chemical messengers, B6 is key for healthy brain function. Low levels of B6, along with B12, have been linked to reduced brain function as we age. While we don't have definitive evidence that supplements can prevent conditions like Alzheimer's, making sure your B6 levels are healthy is a simple way to help maintain sharp focus and memory right now. Number 4 is morning sickness relief. If you or a loved one is dealing with terrible nausea during pregnancy, B6 is the first line of defense recommended by major organizations like the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. It's often used in combination with another medication and is a safe, over-the-counter way to ease those debilitating symptoms. Fifth, is a heart helper. This is a lesser-known but critical benefit. B6 helps your body regulate a substance called homocysteine. This is an amino acid that, when levels get too high, can actually damage blood vessel walls and increase the risk of blood clots. B6 works with other B vitamins to process this amino acid, essentially keeping your arteries clean and healthy. Number 6 is the cell protector. B6 is a key player in cell growth and DNA repair. Studies suggest that getting enough B6 and other B vitamins is associated with a lower risk of developing certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. It acts as an antioxidant, helping to calm chronic inflammation in the body. And finally, number 7 is a vision shield. Research has found that daily supplementation of B6, B12, and folic acid may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. This benefit is strongly linked to B6's role in controlling that same homocysteine, which can also affect the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. So, how do you know if you're low? Because B6 plays so many roles, deficiency symptoms can look like a lot of other problems. Common signs include a peculiar rash known as seborrheic dermatitis, cracks at the corners of your mouth, a sore tongue, and critically, peripheral neuropathy, that's numbness or tingling in your hands and feet. But here's the most important safety warning. While deficiency is an issue, getting too much B6 from supplements is dangerous. The upper limit for adults is 100 milligrams per day. If you take much more than that for an extended period, you can actually cause nerve damage, the same peripheral neuropathy that a deficiency causes. You can also experience a loss of control of body movements. Always check with your healthcare provider before taking any high-dose B6 supplement. As one dietitian wisely said, whatever you do, don't try to treat a vitamin deficiency on your own. Your doctor will help you restore your levels safely. Alright, you know the benefits and the risk. Now let's talk about how to get it safely. Food first. The beauty of B6 is that it's in a wide variety of foods. The amount you need is small, just 1.3 milligrams for most adults aged 19 to 50. Let's look at the B6 Powerhouse Top 5 you can add to your grocery list this week. First, bananas and avocados. They're easy, delicious sources. A medium banana gives you about a quarter of what you need for the day. Next up is fish power. Sockeye salmon and tuna are fantastic. Just 3 ounces of cooked yellowfin tuna delivers over half of your recommended daily intake. Then there's beef and poultry. Leaner cuts of beef and poultry, including organ meats like liver, are excellent sources. Our vegetarian powerhouse is chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Just 1 cup of chickpeas provides a whopping 65% of your recommended daily amount. And finally, our plant-based winner is tofu. A single cup of firm tofu can provide an incredible 66% of your daily B6. The bottom line is that a varied diet including meats, whole grains, legumes, and nuts is your best defense against B6 deficiency. So, before you grab a massive B6 supplement, remember, food first. Start by adding one of our top 5 B6 powerhouse foods to your diet this week, maybe some chickpeas, to your salad or a banana with breakfast. If you suspect a serious deficiency or are experiencing symptoms, please talk to your doctor, don't self-treat. And now, for the most important part. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button to help other people find this vital information. And subscribe for more science-backed health tips. If you want to learn about the other important B vitamins, like the link between B12 and energy, click the video on your screen now to watch my full guide to the B complex. Thanks for watching.